How to fix Microsoft Store not working or opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started with today's tutorial. So first of all, type in for Microsoft Store on your search button. After that, you have to right click on Microsoft Store and go to its app settings. Scroll down a bit and then click on repair button. This will then fix some of the problems and you might be able to open the store. However, if this is still creating an error, you can click on the reset button, and after that you need to restart your device. However, if this is also not solving the problem, the next step would be to check if there are any corrupt files. For that, you have to search for command prompt, right click on it and then run it as administrator. There you have to give this command called as sfc/scan now. This will check for all the corrupt files and then your app store could be open. If this is also not working, you will have to search for Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. Here are a few commands that you need to give. The first command would be set execution policy unrestricted. After that, you need to type in A and then you have to uninstall or remove the app packages with this command. Once you have removed all the packages, you can now reinstall it using the last command. After that, you need to restart your device and this should fix the problem. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.